In the last video, we covered hidden fields and how to capture visitor data silently in the background. In this video, we'll take that one step further. We'll learn how to pass that data from one funnel to another using redirects. Here we have the first funnel, the Lead Gen Score Quiz. This is where the visitor starts the assessment and answers 3 quick questions. Based on those answers, InvolveMe calculates their score and sends them to the right outcome. For this setup, Funnel 1 is responsible for collecting the quiz answers, calculating the score, and capturing where the visitor came from before sending them to Funnel 2. Funnel 2 is the Lead Gen Checklist Results funnel. This is where visitors enter their contact details before seeing their personalized checklist. Then visitors land on the final results page. Here, we'll use the contact details from Funnel 2, together with the score and UTM source passed from Funnel 1, to personalize the page for each visitor. Before we set up the redirect, we need Funnel 1 to capture where the visitor came from. For this tutorial, we want that source to appear later on the final results page. For example, a lead might come from YouTube, LinkedIn, an email campaign, or a paid ad. To make that work, we first need to capture the source in Funnel 1 before sending the visitor to Funnel 2. To do this, we'll open the funnel options, click Hidden Fields. Here, we'll select UTM source from the functional fields. This allows Funnel 1 to capture where the visitor came from, directly from the URL. For this tutorial, we're only using UTM source to keep things simple. In a real campaign, you can add more UTM parameters if you want more detailed tracking. Once UTM source is added, we'll save the hidden field settings. Now we can see UTM source has been added as a hidden field. At the top, the URL parameter preview now shows UTM_source equals input. This means the funnel is expecting a value for UTM_source in the URL. For example, if someone opens the quiz from a link that includes UTM_source equals YouTube, InvolveMe captures YouTube in the background. Then, when the visitor is redirected to Funnel 2, that source value can be passed along automatically. Once that's done, we'll click Save and Close. Now Funnel 1 is ready to capture the UTM source and use it later in the redirect to Funnel 2. Next, we'll go to Funnel 2 and make sure it's published. This is important because the redirect needs the live funnel URL, and that URL is only available once the funnel is published. Once Funnel 2 is published, we'll copy the URL from the Share tab. This is where visitors should land after completing the quiz questions in Funnel 1, so we'll use this link for the outcome page redirect. There are 2 ways to redirect visitors to another funnel in InvolveMe. One option is a button redirect, where visitors see their outcome first and then click through. Or you can use an automatic outcome page redirect, which sends them straight to Funnel 2 as soon as they reach that outcome. For this tutorial, we'll use the automatic redirect. First, we'll open the outcome page properties for the low score outcome. In the custom URL redirect field, we'll paste the Funnel 2 URL. To send data with this redirect, we'll add URL parameters at the end. The first parameter starts with a question mark. Here, we'll add quiz score. The word before the equal sign is the key. It tells Funnel 2 what information this is. After the equal sign, we'll insert the score variable, which is the value we want to send. To add another parameter, we use an ampersand. Then we'll add UTM_source and insert the UTM source variable, so Funnel 2 also receives the traffic source. Once that's done, we'll save the redirect. So we'll copy the same URL and paste it into the second outcome page, because both outcomes should redirect to the same Funnel 2 flow where leads can enter their contact details and see the results page. Now we're in Funnel 2, where visitors will enter their contact details and see the personalized results page. Since Funnel 1 is sending data through the redirect URL, we need to set up hidden fields here to receive that data. We'll open the funnel option settings and go to Hidden Fields. The panel is empty right now, so we'll add a custom hidden field first. This field will receive the quiz score from Funnel 1. For the first hidden field, we'll use quiz score as the parameter. This parameter name is important because it must match the exact name used in the redirect URL from Funnel 1. If the names don't match, Funnel 2 won't know where to receive the value. Then we'll use quiz score as the custom title, so it looks clear and easy to recognize later when we insert it as a variable on the results page. Next, I'll add UTM source from the functional fields. This field will receive the source value from the URL, so we can see which channel brought the visitor in. Now Funnel 2 has the two hidden fields it needs. Quiz score will receive the score from Funnel 1, and UTM source will receive where the visitor came from. We don't need to add a name field here because the visitor's name is collected directly through the contact form in Funnel 2. Once both fields are added, we'll click Save and Close. Now Funnel 2 is ready to receive the quiz score and traffic source from Funnel 1 through the redirect URL. Now we'll personalize the results page. We'll open the Variables menu and add first name and last name to the headline. These come from the contact form in Funnel 2, so each visitor sees their own name on the results page. Then we'll save the changes. Now we'll add the quiz score variable to the score section. The score was calculated in Funnel 1, and we will pass it to Funnel 2 through the redirect URL. By inserting this variable here, the results page will show the actual score each visitor achieved in the quiz. Then we'll save the changes. Now we'll do the same for UTM source. We'll insert the UTM source variable at the bottom of the page under traffic source. In real situations, this would normally stay hidden and be used for tracking. Here we're showing it on the page here just to prove the value passed correctly from Funnel 1 to Funnel 2. Now let's test the full flow. We'll go back to Funnel 1 and copy the quiz URL from the Share tab. This is the link a visitor would normally open to start the quiz. Next, we'll open the quiz URL in a new browser window. To test the source tracking, we'll add UTM_source equals YouTube to the end of the link. This way, the funnel treats the visitor as coming from YouTube, and later we can check if that source carries through to Funnel 2. The quiz is now open as a visitor would see it. We'll go through the questions to test the full journey. We'll select one of the answers. These answers contribute to the visitor's score, which we'll pass to the results page later. Next, we'll answer the second question. Now we'll answer the last quiz question in Funnel 1. Once this question is completed, the funnel calculates the score and uses the automatic redirect we set up on the outcome page. Now we're in Funnel 2. Here, the visitor enters their contact details before revealing the final checklist. The quiz score and UTM source have already been passed through the redirect, so this form only needs to collect the visitor's name and email. Once the visitor submits the contact form, Funnel 2 loads the personalized results page. It now has the contact details collected here, plus the score and UTM source that were passed from Funnel 1. And here is the final personalized results page. We can see the visitor's name in the headline, the quiz score in the score section, and the traffic source at the bottom. So the lead moved from Funnel 1 to Funnel 2, and the data was carried through automatically using the redirect. So that's how you pass quiz data from one funnel to another in InvolveMe using hidden fields and redirects. Funnel 1 collects the quiz answers, calculates the score, and captures the UTM source. Then the redirect sends those values through the URL to Funnel 2. From there, Funnel 2 collects the visitor's contact details and uses all the data together to show a personalized results page. This means leads can move from one funnel to another without losing the context of what they already answered. The journey stays connected, and the final page can still feel personal.